Introduction. Welcome back to Bike Zone Pro, your go-to channel for in-depth motorcycle reviews, industry news, and all things two wheels. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated return of a legendary nameplate, the 2025 Honda CBR 1300XX Blackbird. Once known as the fastest production motorcycle on the planet, the Blackbird is back, and it's sharper, more powerful, and smarter than ever. Whether you're a sport touring enthusiast or a speed addict, this bike promises to deliver the perfect blend of performance and refinement. Let's take a deep dive into what makes the 2025 CBR 1300XX Blackbird a true modern marvel. A legendary comeback. The Honda Blackbird has a cult following. When the original CBR 1100XX Super Blackbird launched in 1996, it was designed to dethrone the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-11 as the fastest production bike, and it succeeded. With aerodynamics inspired by aircraft design and an engine that could push beyond 180 miles per hour, the Blackbird became a legend. Fast forward to 2025, and Honda has finally revived the icon, this time with even more muscle, high-tech features, and unmistakable presence. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 CBR 1300XX is an all-new 1,295 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, liquid-cooled and tuned for a perfect mix of top-end speed and low-end torque. Honda has kept true to the Blackbird's roots by building an engine that loves to rev but also delivers usable power throughout the RPM range. Expect over 190 horsepower and a peak torque north of 105 lb-ft, delivered with the smoothness and refinement Honda is famous for. The engine is paired with a 6-speed transmission and slipper clutch, and for the first time, the Blackbird gets Honda's quick shift system, standard on both upshifts and downshifts. Acceleration is aggressive but controlled, and the throttle response is lightning quick, thanks to the latest ride-by-wire system. Electronics and riding modes. This isn't just a brute force machine, it's loaded with smart tech. The 2025 Blackbird features multiple riding modes, sport, touring, rain, and a fully customizable user mode. Each mode adjusts throttle response, power delivery, engine braking, and traction control levels. Speaking of traction control, the new Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, system is more refined than ever. It works seamlessly with the cornering ABS, wheelie control, and launch control to give you full confidence whether you're on a straightaway or carving through mountain twisties. A new 6-axis IMU powers all of these systems, ensuring real-time data is constantly optimizing your ride for safety and performance. Chassis and handling. The Blackbird has always walked the line between superbike aggression and sport touring comfort, and this new chassis is no different. Built on a lightweight aluminum twin-spar frame, the 2025 model features semi-active Showa suspension front and rear. These electronically controlled units adapt to the road in real time, offering plush comfort on the highway and firm control when you're attacking corners. Handling is sharp and responsive, yet stable at high speeds. The 2025 CBR 1300XX comes with a slightly more relaxed rake and a longer wheelbase compared to pure superbikes, offering better stability for long-distance touring without sacrificing agility. Braking and wheels. Braking performance is handled by Brembo Stylema monoblock calipers up front with dual 320mm discs, and a single 260mm disc at the rear. These are paired with cornering ABS that adjusts braking force dynamically based on lean angle, thanks to the IMU. The Blackbird rolls on 17-inch lightweight alloy wheels wrapped in Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4 tires, offering a perfect balance between grip, longevity, and road feedback. Aerodynamics and design. Aerodynamics were a big part of the original Blackbird's DNA, and the 2025 model continues that legacy. The bike features a sleek, wind tunnel-tested fairing, complete with integrated winglets for added downforce at higher speeds. The long, sweeping tail section and low-slung stance give the bike an unmistakable silhouette that echoes the past while embracing modern design cues. Full LED lighting, including adaptive cornering lights, a sharp DRL signature, and a sculpted fuel tank make the Blackbird look every bit as fast as it is. It's a bike that commands attention whether parked or flying past at triple-digit speeds. Comfort and touring features. While performance is at the core of the Blackbird, Honda hasn't ignored comfort. The seat is plush and ergonomically designed for both rider and pillion, and the riding position is sport touring friendly, aggressive enough for spirited rides, but relaxed enough for hours on the saddle. The 2025 model also comes with optional heated grips, cruise control, and electrically adjustable windscreen. 2 USB-C charging ports and ample storage options with optional panniers and a top box make it a legitimate long-distance tourer. Digital cockpit and connectivity. Taking center stage on the cockpit is a 7-inch full-color TFT display with smartphone integration via Honda Road Sync. Riders can access navigation, music, calls, and messages through Bluetooth, with voice control for compatible helmets. The display is customizable and includes all the usual telemetry like lean angle, G-force, trip data, fuel efficiency, and more. A smart key system and remote locking add convenience, and the entire system can be updated via over-the-air software updates, a sign that Honda is thinking long-term with this machine. Variants and customization. Honda is offering the 2025 Blackbird in 3 distinct color schemes: Obsidian Black Metallic, Sonic Silver, and Crimson Thunder. An exclusive black edition features matte black accents, carbon fiber touches, and a sport exhaust as standard. A full range of Honda accessories. From touring panniers to quickshifter tuning kits and upgraded seat materials, let riders customize the bike to suit their style and needs. Pricing and availability. Honda hasn't skimped on tech or hardware, and the pricing reflects that. The 2025 CBR 1300XX Blackbird starts at around $18,999 with the Black Edition reaching up to $21,499 Availability will begin in the second half of 2025, with pre-orders already open in select markets. Honda dealerships are expecting high demand, especially from longtime fans of the original Blackbird. Final verdict: a perfect evolution. The 2025 Honda CBR 1300XX Blackbird isn't just a tribute, it's an evolution. It takes the spirit of the original and brings it into the modern era with more power, more tech, and greater versatility than ever before. Whether you're chasing top speed records or planning a cross-country tour, this bike is ready for anything. For those who appreciate legendary engineering wrapped in modern innovation, the new Blackbird is not just a comeback.